here's how you can track engagement and views on a specific page and show it. So if you go to your Google Analytics, just make sure it's GA4. Universal was the old one and it's no longer available. So if yours is like, it's not showing, it might be, you just need to click on GA4. And if you haven't set up GA4 on Show It, I'll link something below about how to do that. But you set that up. And then once you have that set up, if you come over to Lifecycle and then Engagement and then Pages and Screen, you can, we'll make the date a little bit larger. You can set the date. So if you were like wanting to know how many people came on like a specific date, you would obviously just set it to one date. So maybe I'll do that just to show you. On the 29th. So just click that twice. And then the microcast is what I'm trying to see. So you can hover right there and it says 10. But if you scroll down, right here, you'll see that the views, there's 10 views, 5 users. And so that is how you're going to figure out that. And I just created a quick little spreadsheet for tracking this particular page. And I just put my goals. And then leads would be obviously how many people purchased or clicked, filled out the form. So the way that I'm probably going to do this, so how I plan on doing this, I pulled up my Flowdesk, is I'm just going to manually, there might be a way to like tag them, but this is just how I'm doing it. So I will go to audience and I hold, I think microcast, and it's not microcast registration, it's just microcast. And once I find it, I will just manually look. 3. Is this the best way of doing it? Probably not, but it's how I'm doing it. So hopefully that is helpful for you.